We'll guide you through how to make a heart in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open the desktop start menu on your computer and type Blender so the software appears at the top of the results bar. Double-click the application to launch it and enter the workspace. On the main menu, make sure the cube in the middle is selected before continuing. Then change to edit mode by pressing the tab key on your keyboard. Next, choose the selection mode and switch it to the face option for easier editing. After that, select the two upper faces of the cube carefully. Right-click on those faces to open the face menu settings. From the menu, select the option called Extrude Individual Faces to begin shaping. Press E while extruding both faces upward slightly to form the initial heart shape. After that, change the selection mode again to the edge option for more precise adjustments. Select the four edges located on the upper faces you just extruded. Press Ctrl-B to bevel these edges smoothly. You can scroll your mouse wheel to add more subdivisions and create a rounder curve. Then, right-click the newly created edges and choose Dissolve Edges to remove unnecessary lines. Once finished, return to Object Mode by pressing Tab again. Press R and then X to rotate the object along the X-axis for better alignment. Use S and X together to adjust the size proportionally along that axis. Next, go to the Material Properties panel and create a new material for the object. Change the base color to red so it clearly resembles a heart. Finally, press Z and switch to Rendered View to preview your completed heart object with lighting and shading applied properly. This final view allows you to check the smoothness of the curves and confirm that the overall silhouette looks balanced and symmetrical. If needed, you can return to Edit mode and refine any edges or proportions further until you are satisfied with the result. Make sure the top curves feel soft and rounded while the bottom point remains slightly sharp to maintain the classic heart appearance. Once everything looks correct, your simple heart model is ready for rendering or further creative use in your project. You can also experiment with different materials, lighting, and camera angles to enhance the final presentation even more effectively.